Real trades by real people using the HVAs that only we call out the night before.
Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogel here, filling in for Patrick Assalone for today's wins, losses, and break-evens. Speaking of which, today is Friday, November 19th. It is about 3:21 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's get into the proof, if you want to call it, of that we posted our levels the night before. And here you have it. Today's trading levels posted last night at 5:30 p.m. for all of our clientele to use along with our methodologies. With that said, let's get into the winners, losers, and break-evens for today's entries. Starting us off with the overnight, Jonathan in oil up 240 on Sim, followed by Jeremy up 360 also on Sim, same entry. As you know, it only counts once towards the wins, losses, and break-evens, even though there are two trades that came in. This is only one of those entries that we are counting. Chris also with that same winner, but with a loss as well, ignoring some of the rules that taught before. It's okay. He's already been talked to about this. He knows what went wrong and what to look for next time. This is why we encourage all of our students to start on Sim and treat it like it is live money, real money. If you do not take your trading seriously, you will not trade seriously at all. It is not a game. Chris with a $220 live real money entry. This was the one we saw previously. It hit there a second time according to our methodologies. He took it. He keeps it with real money. He earned his way to going live up 220. He was done for the remainder of the day. Jason with a trending entry. We will not count this as it is not against one of our edges. Technically, you could say it is, but I won't for this purpose. It'll just make us look too good. Nonetheless, up 350 on Sim in the ES. Steven up just over $1,000 in the ES. As you can see, the ES had quite the range in the overnight. Up $1,050 on Sim based off of our levels that we gave out the night before. Not these quacks that say that they know what they're doing or that they can read bars. We give out our levels the night before and have major success. Greg with an entry in Nat Gas up 500. He likes his Nat Gas, so I'll tell you that. Lee up 200 in ES, a different entry based off of our methodologies on Sim. Katrina with the same entry as Lee. This time she's up 525 on Sim. Greg with the same entry up 100 on Sim. Umar with a micro ES entry on a live account up $10. He had a little bit of an issue with his entries, went the wrong way, quickly corrected it, and had a winner with a one lot. Yes, that's $10. It doesn't matter how much it is as long as you are learning the methodologies and building the confidence and slowly scaling up from there. It is not something to be taken lightly. If you take it seriously, I would actually say starting off in the micros is probably one of the best ways to start, as you do not have the restrictions of as much capital needed to get started. Francis on Sim up 200 total so far in oil. Well, this is a Ninja platform, so it's the complete total of all of his entries on Sim. Greg with his first loss of the day, down 210 in gold on Sim. Francis going again, same edge, a little better of entry, up 460 now total on Sim from his oil entries. Robert up 26.25 on Sim shortly after the markets opened. Different entry than we saw previously. Same area that we gave out the night before. Miro taking that exact same entry, up $60 on Sim in the Micro ES. Patricia up 105 in the Dow on Sim. Miro up another $57 on Sim in the Micro NASDAQ. Up over $100 so far, trading micros. Yes, micros. Adi grabbing $100 on Sim. Same edge as we previously saw, but different entry. Up 100 in the Dow on Sim. Francis up a total of 585 on Sim today with this ES entry. Cecilia up 290 in the Dow on Sim. We've already had 1, 2, 3 opportunities. Students took them there. They decided not to take it there. It still would have been an excellent winner. Jonathan joining Cecilia up 240. Patricia, we've already seen her one entry. She had a loss here, getting a little overeager, not following the rules. We will count that as a loss against us nonetheless. However, she did correct it and take the appropriate action. Up now 205 on Sim for the Dow. Kathleen up 330 on gold. Vicky taking that same entry we saw earlier in the Dow, up 200. Then taking a NASDAQ trending entry, up an additional 145. The NASDAQ does not count as we did not have levels in that area. Robert taking a dumb move here. He knew better. Down 45 in the Dow. It was against what we had taught. He knew better and yet chose to do it. Nonetheless, we will count it as a loss. Nick down a total of 115 live real money. First entry breaking rules based off of our methodologies. He's lucky to have survived us. If he was here in person, he might have gotten smacked in the head from behind. However, he redeemed himself by following the rules and recovering a part of what he had lost. He was done for the day. Cecilia showing us both these edges. We've seen this one. Second one, we have not seen any students submit. Up $400 on Sim. Adi also taking that entry, up 180. You can see he has one here, here. But this is 180 on Sim from that entry. Dave up 150 on Sim, taking another ES entry that we had present several today at our levels. Patricia with a trending entry in oil. It does not count as a winner for us, but if she had lost, it would most certainly count it as a loss. But this is an advanced trade that is taught to students as they progress through their education. Stewart with the same entry, up 340. Whether he's on Sim or live, I honestly couldn't tell you. I will assume Sim. There you have it. Our wins, losses, and break-evens for today. Friday, usually not the best trading days. Nonetheless, we had just about 80% win ratio from the submitted trades that were taken, even considering the losses that we shouldn't have taken. If you have any questions or would like to figure out how we are so successful and why you keep losing money, reach out to us. You can find us on Facebook. We are Target Trading Academy, or you can go to our website at I'm a little tongue-tied, targettradingacademy.com. As you can see, it is currently being projected, where you can reach out and get in contact with a representative of ours, and they will gladly show you why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you.